Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is a semi-structured interview, and this is a project of one of very professional scholars, Dr. Muhammad Shahbaz Mustafai Saab, and the topic under study is emotional regulation and stress coping strategies during the COVID-19. Perspective of school teachers in Gujranwala division. So the aim of this interview is actually to explore the level of stress of school teachers that school teachers faced by the discourse of fear related to COVID-19 since March 2020. Further, it aims at investigating different stress coping strategies used by school teachers in Gujranwala division, Punjab, Pakistan. So let's begin with your introduction first and your opinion about the topic under study.
This is Imran Shah. I am director of Fatima Educational System, and this topic is really need of the time. So I am obliged that I am being taken interview of this.
Okay, I would ask you about, tell us something about your teaching background, your age, and your city.
I'm a private teacher. I do job in Gujarat. It's a village, a very renowned village, Khiranwala, near Mangwal, and I do teaching only. And further, I do business.
And how old are you?
I'm 30 years old, male.
And I need your consent to record any kind of data from you for this particular research.
Yeah, absolutely, no objection.
Okay, let's get to our first question. Okay, what do you think about the existence of COVID-19?
Absolutely, it exists. It's a fact.
Okay, what kind of emotional, social, and physical challenges did you face because of COVID-19?
As far emotional challenges are concerned, they were in the beginning, but as the time passed, in first 2 or 3 months, I covered it. And as far as social challenges, yeah, it is there, and physical challenges very much are there, financial as well, because people had to suffer a lot for financially. So there are a lot of challenges that people had to face, and definitely I had to face as well.
And how do you manage your social life with social distancing?
Yeah, I do like to wear mask, and as far as possible, I suggest others to wear the mask and keep social distance. And if someone is having the symptoms of COVID-19, I try to avoid to meet that person to shake hand as well.
And what kind of professional changes COVID-19 has brought to your life?
Yeah, it has brought the concept of modern techniques in educational system, like to teach on WhatsApp, to make videos. You can say e-learning. I'm thankful to COVID. People do complain, but I am thankful to COVID because I had taken an initiative that is the need of the time, and especially in education system, and that is e-learning. So I focused on that, and I have developed it very much.
And have you already started accepting new social and professional changes caused by COVID-19?
Yeah, Alhamdulillah, I have accepted all.
Okay. And what kind of stressors do you face because of COVID-19?
In the beginning, I was a heart patient, so there was a little bit of fear of COVID-19 that it would harm my health, etc. But now I have improved my, you can say, immunity. I'm focusing on my immunity, doing exercise, suggesting others to do it and adopt it. So COVID-19 is a reality. We have to face it. We are not supposed to run from it by fearing it. So instead of fearing, I'm just improving myself so that I can challenge it, to accept the challenge and improve my lifestyle.
And what kind of activities you keep yourself engaged in to overcome your stress caused by COVID-19?
I do self-study. I believe in self-development. So all the time I do the study, I listen the lectures, I do the book reading, etc. So this reduces my depression, or you can say stress, to a lot of extent, you can say.
And what do you think about positive aspects of new lifestyle in post-corona scenario?
Actually, we live in Pakistan, and until we are pushed, we don't wake up. So corona has woken up, and a lot of people are just thinking to renew their life, to do business online, and to change their lifestyle. And it is the change that of technology. People are accepting it and doing it, learning it. So this is a good thing, I think so.
And what are your major achievements since the outbreak of COVID-19 in March 2020?
I think there was no major setback to me. As far people faced a lot of challenges, especially psychological, but I try to maintain everything because as I have already told you people that I believed in e-learning, so I learned and I also make those people learn who are attached with me. So there was no as much stressor that hit me.
And how do you define your teaching experience after outbreak of COVID-19?
Yeah, it's a little bit challenging because we had to do a lot of vacation. But as I maintained all the e-learning, I mean, I remained in touch with parents and children. So there is no as such problem for me. I have recovered all the things that had by hit by Corona. So it's okay.
Thank you very much. This was Director and Principal Fatima Educational Institution, Sayyid Imran Shah, and we are really thankful to you for your support to complete this project, and we wish you all the best for your future endeavors. And
it's honor
and thank you very much.
It's honor for me to be a contributor in the research project that is going on by a profound researcher. Thank you very much.
Thank you.